Okay. Logo simply means it is a small picture which will immediately take you to the name of that product. वो जो सामान है, okay, उसका पूरा नाम हमेशा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो जो छोटा सा पिक्चर है, बस वो ही तुमको बता देगा कि ये कौन सा सामान है. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, Vihan. Vihan, don't fiddle with the laptop like that. Not nice. Yes, tell me, you wanted to say something.
I want to tell I have went a long drive.
You have gone on, I have went on long drive. Nahi. I have gone on a long drive.
I have gone on a long drive.
Good. Yes, Maya, tell me what you had to say.
Ma'am, I want to show you just a joke. 1 minute ka joke.
1 minute का जोक. इतना टाइम है अपने पास? थोड़ा जल्दी करो तो.
Okay, just it's going to be 2 minute joke. Look.
1 minute बोलने के बाद अब 2 minutes. What is this?
Look what I made. Ha ha ha. Coronavirus.
Wow, that's a pretty drawing. What are you explaining there?
I need coronavirus and a paper. Means coronavirus coming to paper and paper telling, please use a pencil and touch me.
Please use a pencil and touch me. Oh, okay. All right.
Because you
Fine.
are coronavirus.
Oh,
if you
correct,
give me
it's a joke.
coronavirus, if you
Okay.
give me coronavirus, everyone will touch me and write on me.
Oh
We
dear.
write on paper, right?
Okay, fine. Very good. Yes, Rehansh, you raised your hand. You wanted to say something.
I was just saying that I went on a 11 hours drive.
Wow.
And even a 1 day drive. Like a whole day I was in the car just driving.
You were
Like
driving?
my father was driving. My
Oh.
father was driving just for like one whole
Okay.
day.
Okay. We are going to start the game now. We are going to start the game now. Okay? Vihan, we will talk later, Baba, now. We will talk later. We are going to start the game. Okay? The game is, you all already know how this works. These yellow strips will just keep moving out one by one. You remember that, right? These yellow strips will move out one by one. They will just move out like this. इसके पीछे में there will be a picture. Slowly and steadily, I will open up that picture one by one. Please don't waste time and energy telling me, please open one more screen. Do not do that. Okay. I have my timer on. So based on the timer, I will open the screens one by one. Okay. What you need to do, जितना screen खुला है, उसमें you have to start using your head to understand ये कौन सा logo है. Okay. मत टाइम वेस्ट करो ये बोलते हुए कि प्लीज मैम थोड़ा और एक और स्क्रीन खोलो, एक और स्क्रीन खोलो. डोंट टेल मी ऑल दैट. आई विल डू इट एज पर माय टाइमर. But you have to start thinking about what logo is that. वो छोटा सा एक स्पेस वो लोगो का पता चला है, उसमें से तुम्हें देख के बताना है कि वो लोगो क्या है. Okay? Are we ready for that? Shall we start? All right. Now who will get their turns? What will happen is, once I open the screen one by one, I will look around everyone. Whoever has raised their hand, they will get their turn. If you have not given the correct answer, I'll go to the next person who has raised their hand. Okay? Got it? Maya, do you want to stay in grade 2 or you want to go to another grade? Okay? Everybody, eyes on your screen. Shall we start? Any guesses? Vihan raised his hand first. Yes, Vihan.
Fire.
This is not a logo for fire. This is not a logo for fire.
Oh.
No. Maya, are you going to say fire? Because then this is not fire.
Ah, this is Phoenix Mall.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is Phoenix Mall.
Did she just guess that? That is
Ma'am,
absolutely right.
because that's a eagle, that's a bird spring, na? So I quickly got this is Phoenix because Phoenix, and every time I've gone to phoenix with my mom and dad and brother.
Okay, you know what? This is not an eagle. The bird's name is Phoenix. There is a bird by the name of Phoenix. This is the Phoenix bird. Okay. So yes, that was an awesome guess. That was just too good to be true. Reyansh, the screen is open. What are you raising your hand for now?
A phoenix is a bird that can light itself on fire and just turn into fire. It's a bird that can be. It's basically a fire bird.
It's basically a firebird. Okay, we will clarify all those things later. Right now, the class is about logo, so we are going to stick to that. Okay. So now you all understood how to play the game? Easy enough? Yeah? Okay. So I will just open screens one by one and you have to go about guessing. Here comes the next screen. Any guesses? Anybody? Anybody? Any guesses? No, nobody, no guesses? ये कौन से कंपनी का लोगो है? Yes, Reyansh is raising his hand.
Urban Ladder.
No, Baba, not Urban Ladder. No, this is not Urban Ladder. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Reyansh is raising his hand again. Yes, Reyansh.
Pepper Fry.
No, man, not Pepper Fry.
Chocolates.
No. Anybody else? Any guesses? Anybody else? Tejas is raising his hand. Oh, Tejas is giving thumbs down. Okay. No worries. So don't do thumbs down and all. If you know the answer, just raise your hand right in front of your camera, in front of your face. Okay. If you know the answer, then you raise your hand. Thumbs down to chahiye nahi. If you don't know, I anyways know that you don't know. ठीक है. Varushka, come on. Rajvi. Any guesses? You girls must have definitely gone to this shop sometimes. A clue I can give is this is a shop. Maya is saying yes, she knows. Bolo.
Reliance.
No. Start something new. ये कौन से shop का logo है? Children, you all are talking something when the mic is off. I cannot understand and I'm not going to open your mic. It's very simple. Just raise your hand if you know the answer. Maya, remove that book from your mouth. I'm sure you ate your snacks and your breakfast, so don't put it in your mouth. No? Okay, I'll open one more screen now. Varushka raised her hand, yes.
I think it says Shoppers Stop.
Of course, it very clearly says stop, Shoppers Stop. अब तो मैंने पूरा वो पिक्चर का ही नाम खोल दिया. अब क्या? What is this? What is this? What is? Arey, this turned out just too much. Matlab, I've opened the entire strip of that name and you're saying, I think it is Shoppers Stop. You should be sure because that is what it is. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Ready? I'm telling you kids, one thing is for sure, this is not going to be easy. If you have been observant, मतलब कहीं जाते हैं तो I am just going to go eat and come. I'm only going to go eat ice cream and come. I will only go buy my track pants and my glittery t-shirt and come. I'm only going to go pick up my cap and my cool sunglasses and come. ऐसे ही shopping करके आओगे ना, you will not see anything around. You have to keep your eyes open and look around. Look around. Be observant. वरना बर्गर खाओगे और उसी में ऐसे ही बैठे रहोगे. Yes or no? You should open your eyes and look around also. Okay? Chalo, next one. Next one. अरे वाह, एक रेड स्ट्रिप खुला नहीं कि रेयांश ने हाथ ऊपर किया. यस रेयांश बोलो.
KFC.
KFC नहीं है ये. This is not KFC. Varushka is raising her hand. Yes, Varushka.
McDonald's.
McDonald's नहीं है ये. Rajvi is raising her hand. Yes, Rajvi, tell me.
Zomato.
Good guess, but no, this logo is not Zomato. But yes, this is close to Zomato. Yes, you're right. This can be close to Zomato, but what is there behind the screen is not Zomato. Yes, Vihan.
Swiggy.
No, अब क्या? Zomato, Swiggy, everyone's hungry क्या? Anybody else? Anybody else? One more strip opened up. One more strip opened up. Yes, Rajvi is raising her hand. Yes, Rajvi, tell me.
It's YouTube.
You're close, but there's one small little thing you're missing about YouTube. YouTube का ना ये ऐसे corners नहीं होते हैं. YouTube is not cornered like this. Yes, Reyansh.
Is it? I forgot.
Yes, Maya. After that, I'll go to Varushka.
JioMart.
Oh. Oof. That was good. That was good. That was good. Okay. Okay. Yes, Vihan, tell me.
I want to tell I also have Jio.
You also have Jio? Very good. But I wanted you to guess the logo. Right? I wanted you to guess the logo. मैंने तो नीचे का red वाला Mart space भी खोल दिया. Still you are not guessing. Come on, children. You have Jio in your house. ये तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. Right? Yes, Varushka wants to share something. Yes, Varushka.
Ma'am, I thought that it was my mother was telling me while whispering Reliance Smart, but I knew it was not actually Reliance Smart because I don't even know if that exists or not.
Oh, your mom is also playing the game with you. Okay. All right. Yes, Rajvi, tell me what you want to say.
That I also did for that. I also have.
You also have Jio. Arey yaar, everybody has Jio, but then you're not able to guess it with its logo. Chalo. Okay, boys, we'll talk later. Let's go on to the next logo. Talking later. Ready? Are we ready for the next round? Reyansh has raised his hand. Yes, Reyansh.
Big Bazaar.
No, you're close. No. Come on, kids. Come on. You all have been here. Rajvi is raising her hand. Yes, Rajvi.
Star Bazaar.
Yes. Yes. अरे स्टार है ना दोनों साइड में. स्टार है ना दोनों साइड में. Come on. Good one, Rajvi. Very good. Very good. Very good.
This and this.
Yes, Reyansh. What is it?
I don't even know what Star Bazaar is.
We don't have to know every shop, but we need to know the logo. Star Bazaar is like the cousin brother of Big Bazaar.
कैसे पता होगा?
Star Bazaar is like the cousin brother of Big Bazaar. Okay? ठीक है. All right. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. I'm not even sure without opening the screen what Vihan and Maya are raising their hand for. No talking right now. We are discussing logos. Okay. We only have another 5 minutes, if you can believe me, because it is going to be sir's time to arrive. So let's quickly do this. And after that, you're going to have your snack time. Ready? Vihan raised his hand first. Vihan raised his hand first. I knew everybody will raise their hand on this.
Reliance Digital.
Boda, pura flop re. No man, this is not Reliance Digital. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi.
And to also tell Reliance only.
Yeah, but Reliance ke baad kya? What's it? Everybody. No, I'm going to go to Varushka. Come on, Varushka. Yes, what is it?
Reliance Market.
No, no, no. What is this, Reyansh? Bolo.
Reliance Fresh.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. This is Reliance Fresh. Yes, this is Reliance Fresh. Very good job. Good. Vihan, what are you upset about? Kya hua?
I am asking that I also was about to tell Reliance Fresh, but you are not coming to me.
Yeah, but you got your one turn. No, then I have to go to everybody else for their turns, right? Only after I finish with them, I'll come back for the second round of turns. You have to wait.
Riyan finishes, then you let him again, then he again reaches his.
No, my dear, no. Everybody got only one turn. In this particular slide, everybody got one turn. Okay? It started with you. All right. Okay, let's go. Rajvi, you want to share something or what is it? Kya hai?
I have to tell that I have gone in the Reliance Fresh.
I think most of us have been to Reliance Fresh. No? We have one Reliance Fresh store which is हर किसी के society के बाहर एक Reliance Fresh रहता है, isn't it? Yes, all of us have. Yes. Okay, next one. Next one. This probably will be the last one. Okay. Who knows this place? Maya quickly raised her hand. Yes, Maya.
Max.
Max. This was super easy. I knew everybody is going to raise their hand on this. Yes, this is Max. Okay, since this was done so quick, I'm going to go to one more. Pay attention. Keep your focus. बगल में सीटी बजे कुकर का या पानी बहे टैप से या घंटी बजे घर का. Don't bother. Keep your focus here.
Keep your focus, Ma.
Focus. Ready? I think Maya raised her hand first, then it was Varushka. So I'm going to go to Maya first. Yes, Maya?
Is this Google?
No, this is not Google. Good attempt, but not Google. Varushka, after that I'm going to come to Vihan. Yes, Varushka?
I said Google. I wanted to say Google only.
No, honey. Google does not have this kind of a oval shape to it on the top. Google is more circular, no? The G of Google is more circular. Yeah, so this is not Google. Yes, Vihan, tell me.
McDonald.
No. McDonald में green होता है क्या? No, na. Come on, who is raising your hand? Come on, who? Con. Vihan is going to make it. No, Rajvi. Okay, Vihan is going to make another attempt. Okay, Vihan. Yes, Vihan, open your mic.
I forgot.
Hey Ram, एक तो उसको समझ पाना मुश्किल है and then you recall and then you forget. ये क्या है? This is a joke. Come on, children. Come on. You know, when I showed this to higher grades, one boy, just by looking at this much, he guessed what it is. Yeah, everyone. Tejas is raising his hand. Tejas, are you raising your hand or giving me a thumbs down? I said no giving thumbs down. I don't want that. No, I don't want anybody giving a thumbs down. No. You don't know it, you be quiet about it. Okay, if you know it, you raise your hand. So Tejas, this is the second time I'm telling you, don't give me a thumbs down. Anybody else? Okay, I'm going to open one more screen. Varushka. Yes, Varushka. Yeah. Yes, this is season small. Very nice. Chalo, good attempt, kids. Very good job. Well done.
I love season small and I know season small.
And then why didn't you know the logo of season small?
I know the design, but I was thinking, what is it or something else?
You should be able to guess. Observant. Chalo, go get your snacks. Everybody go get your snacks. Yes, Reyansh, you want to say something?
My snack.
Season small for maybe 2 or 6 hours.
Usually when people go to season, sorry, Vihan, 1 minute. Yeah. Usually when people go to season small, no, they keep spending time wahan pe. It's like a picnic spot.
Well, actually, what happened was we were buying a lot of furniture.
Oh, good. Chalo, go get your snacks, children. Wash your hands, eat your snacks. Wash your hands.
Ma'am, Vihan wanted to tell my longest drive has been for 5 days.
Wow. Good. Very
That's how I came to Gurgaon.
It must have been so much fun. गाड़ी में बैठो, बाहर देखो, खाते पीते चलो, सो जाओ, उठो, बैठो, खाते पीते
It was boring and fun, both. Boring and fun.
वो थोड़ा boring होना चाहिए. Then only you will know what is fun. Vihan, snack time. Have you got your snacks? You're still sitting and talking. Wash your hands, eat your snacks. Wash your hands, eat your snacks. Wash your hands, eat your snacks. Yes, Maya.
Ma'am, please can you give us one more?
One more? Okay, chalo. All right.
Yay!
Okay, everybody. चलो one more. खाते पीते जाओ वरना again sir will complain to me कि मैम जब देखो आपका क्लास एक्स्ट्रा होते रहता है. Okay, जल्दी हाँ. Eat फटाफट. Maya raised and after that I'm going to go to Rajvi, then it will be Reyansh and Varushka. Yes, Maya.
YouTube.
अरे तेरी.
YouTube ऐसे ही रहता.
अरे बाप रे. Really? Too much, huh? Too much. Chalo, I'm now going to give one more. Now I'm not going to give chance only to Maya. She's just telling everything, yeah. This is just too much. Sometimes in one screen only she's telling what it is. Too much. Others, snacks तो खा रहे हो ना, थोड़ा सोचो. जल्दी सोचो. Now, I am going to give one clue. This is going to be difficult, okay? Varushka, now you're going to topple upside down. This is straight. It is not upside down. ये सीधा ही है. ये बिल्कुल सीधा है. ये upside down नहीं है. You can just look at it and guess what it is. Okay. Now, one guess I'm going to give you around this is that this is a national initiative, a government initiative. Okay. Okay. अरे क्लास का टाइम हो गया. Sir is going to come. जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाओ. Sir is going to come. जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाओ. So who is going to tell me this national initiative? This is a national initiative by the government. Okay. So this is a national initiative by the government. All right. So who can tell me what it is? This is a national initiative by the government. What has the government come up with this logo for? Varushka is dancing and all and trying to check out what it could be. Reyansh, you're raising your hand. Oh, okay, cool. Tell me.
Parliament.
Parliament is a logo. Duh, Parliament is a building, man. It's not a logo. Logo means what I told you. Remember, it's a picture that in short tells you about the entire product. Yes, Vihan, you raised your hand. Tell me.
I also wanted to tell the same what Rian's told.
No. Tejas, today you haven't given a single answer. Why? Vihan, eat fast. You eat very slow and then sir comes and keeps waiting. You leave your laptop and keep eating fast. आज तेजस कुछ भी आंसर नहीं दिया है, ऐसा क्यों?
Ma'am, when I get the answer, you go to somebody.
Hey, not fair. I was checking everybody's screen and giving turn by turn. Da.
Come to me. I don't get. When you tell
Hey, but you're not giving me correct answer. No. तुम बार-बार मुझे thumbs down दे रहे हो. So I'm confused कि तुम hand raise कर रहे हो कि thumbs down दे रहे हो.
Then I get like this, no.
I didn't see at that time. Maybe it was somebody else's turn at that time. Chalo, answer this one now. I'm going to open one more screen. Sir has come. Sir has come. Quickly, somebody tell me, what is this? Yes, Reyansh. Then I'll go to Varushka.
Forgot हो गया फिर से.
Hey, तुम मस्ती कर रहे हो? Forgot हो गया बोलने के लिए. Okay, I'm going to go to Varushka. Yes, Varushka. And then to Tejas.
Gandhiji's goggles there. They put it like the.
गांधी जी के हेलो गांधी जी के गॉगल्स होते हैं क्या?
No, there's one logo.
This is Gandhi ji's goggles or this is Gandhi ji's glasses?
No, somebody's goggles. Yeah, you see it somewhere. You see it on outside walls.
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
What is it? See, observant. What is it? Yes, you see it around the outside
You see
walls.
it on some walls whenever you go to some times, and there are paintings on the side of walls.
Yes. एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. What logo is this?
That I have here one function. That's why I have to go.
Oh, okay. Yes, Tejas. You can leave if you have to. No problem. Yes, you can do that. Okay.
But I can eat my food.
Yeah, you eat your food and you keep guessing. Anybody else with a guess? Anybody else who's looking to guess? Varushka, you're like 1 millimeter close to the answer. Let's see what Reyansh is going to say.
Bhimrao Ambedkar's glasses?
They are not Ambedkar's glasses. They are Gandhiji's glasses. But then this is a national logo for some initiative by the government. Varushka is trying again. Children, finish your snacks. Jaldi. Varushka, open your mic, Baba.
I forgot. Yeah, but I know. Don't open more screens. I wanted to tell.
Okay, you don't want me to open more screens. I will not do that. Let's do one thing. Let's ask if sir knows it. Yeah? Sir, please open your mic and tell us if you know this logo. Yes, Rajvi is raising her hand. Yes, Rajvi, come on, tell me the answer. Yeah.
Swachh Bharat.
Yes. Yes, this is Swachh Bharat logo. Good job, Rajvi. Good job, Rajvi. Varushka ne. Yes, Varushka bolo.
Shit, I thought I knew
Huh?
those were somebody's
Hey,
glasses.
hey, listen. In the
They were
class,
somebody's glasses.
in the class and all, if you say shit no, then I will say, please go take a potty break. In the class, when you're sitting in the class, you say shit no, I will tell you to go and take a potty break. No saying shit and all in the class, okay? Do you want a potty break? Children, let's be careful about the words we are using. We don't need to use these words, no? I know you were just super excited, but do not use those words, okay? Yes, I know you must have seen this all around the walls of the roads, buildings, but yeah, you must pay extra attention, no? See, these are the just 2 words that you missed. You looked at everything else and you could figure out what it is, but just these 2 words you missed. है कि नहीं? बट मजा आ गया. आज तो मजा आ गया. बच्चों ने अच्छा दिमाग लगाया है. No kids, time up. Go wash your hands and come back. Time up. Go wash your hands and come back. Kids, time up. Go wash your hands and come back. Go. Snack time over. Wash your hands. Come back. Vihan, like a little munchkin, he keeps on munching. Reyansh, finish the snack. Sir is here. Yeah? Wash your hands, drink some water and come back to the class. Good. So on that note, I will take your leave. Children, good job. Please remember that when you are going around places, जब भी तुम कहीं घूमने जाओ या चलते फिरते जाओ, pay attention to things around you. You never know, you might be a part of such a quiz and you might have to immediately come up with an answer, right? So whenever you are going around somewhere, keep an eye around, be observant. अपने binoculars आंखें लगा लो and keep looking like this. You know, when you look like this, your focus is much clearer. वरना ऐसे तो सब कुछ इधर उधर का भी दिखता है. But when you keep your hands like this, your focus is very, very clear. Okay? So be observant, be sure, be aware, look around, check things around. If you don't know, ask. Yes, Tejas, bolo.
That
I am 80 years old, so I forgot. You can't do all those things. You are 8 years old. You cannot act like 80 and say, I forgot. Right, Vihan? है कि नहीं? Are you allowed to just forget so easily? Chalo, everybody come back to class. Everyone back to class.
man, that I have to tell to sir something.
So tell.
Can
Your
you
mic is
tell-
open.
That sir,
अरे तो
Can
tell
you
me, sir can hear. तुम बोलो.
sir, that I have one function. I have to go.
Yes,
Tejas,
okay.
all teachers know you have a function and you have to go. Chal, take care. Bye. Have fun at the function. Wear
My
your,
father
mask,
send a message.
wear your mask and be safe. Clean your hands before you eat.
Home only.
Yes, तेजस फंक्शन मध्ये ड्रिल करायची आहे पण तुला.
अरे तू घरीच आहे ना फंक्शन साठी. मग कुठे चालला? बस तिकडेच. हो की नाही सर?
2 मिनिटात परत आलो असं सांगून ड्रिल कर आणि परत जा.
चलो, bye kids. See you. Tata.